Hey there! Welcome back to the channel. If you've ever needed to analyze your HubSpot data in Excel but weren't sure how to export it efficiently, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you a complete step-by-step guide on how to export data from HubSpot to Excel in 2025. Quickly, easily, and without any headaches. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll be able to export any HubSpot data effortlessly. First, let's start by logging into your HubSpot account. Once you're in, navigate to the section where your data is stored. This could be contacts, companies, deals, or any other object depending on what you want to export. Next, look for the Actions button or the More drop-down at the top of your table. Here you'll see an option that says Export. Click on it. A window will pop up asking you to choose your export format. For Excel, you'll want to select excel.xlsx. You'll also see options to choose which properties you want to include in your export. If you want a complete dataset, select All Properties, but if you're looking for something specific, you can pick only the fields you need. After you've made your selections, click Export. HubSpot will start preparing your file. Depending on the size of your dataset, this might take a few seconds to a couple of minutes. Once it's ready, you'll either get an email with a download link or you can download the file directly from the HubSpot interface. Here's a pro tip. If you plan to work with this data regularly, consider creating a saved view in HubSpot with all the filters and columns you want. This way, every time you export, you get a consistent and clean dataset ready for Excel. And that's it. Once you download the file, open it in Excel, and you'll see all your HubSpot data neatly organized, ready for analysis, reporting, or any custom work you need to do. Exporting your HubSpot data to Excel has never been easier, right? Now you can make the most of your data without any hassle. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a tip to make HubSpot work for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.